welcome back. Now, all of the applications that you'll be using will be free in the cloud and will be shareable. If you want to purchase the desktop applications, you would need to go to your home page. You'd come here where it says Install Applications, or you'd buy a subscription to Microsoft 365. In order to come back to the app page, you can go here. In order to search for any of the documents that you have available in your Microsoft 365 account, you can search for it by placing your cursor here in this dialog box for search. You can search by a specific application. For example, if all you want to search for are going to be PowerPoint files, you can filter your search in that way. Or of course, if you know the name of your presentation, you can write it here in this area. And whatever you are looking for will be here in this area. So with Office or Microsoft 365, you basically have a searchable repository for all of the documents that you will be using in the free application. And you will be using it according to the storage limits that Microsoft has set for you. And you can see what that storage limit will be here on the Microsoft 365 homepage. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.